こんにちは、ローズです。Welcome back. In this video, we will learn new Japanese grammar based from the Minna No Nihongo Textbook, Lesson 25. Here, we will learn about conditional sentences, which are 何々ったら and 何々でも。それでは、始めましょう。Here are the grammar points for this lesson.Conditional sentences are sentences that express hypothetical situations or if statements and their consequences. First, let's learn how to form the first conditional clause, which is the 何々たら pattern. We can use verbs, adjectives, nouns as our conditional clause. All we have to do is use the plain past form plus ら. For example, あります or ある becomes あった plus ら あったら if I have or if there is ありません or ないなかった plus らなかったら if I don't have or if there is no 着きます着いたら着いたら if arrive 飲みます飲んだら飲んだら if drink. If you want to review how to make the plain past form for verbs, you can go to lesson 19. Same with adjectives, use the plain past form and add ら. For example, いい or 良い。よかったらよかったら meaning if you like or if you want. 安い安かったら安かったら if it's cheap. 高い高かったら高かったら if it's expensive. If you want to review how to make the plain past form for E adjectives, you can go to lesson 12 and lesson 20. Now for na adjectives and nouns, again use the plain past form by just adding だった plus ら. We've learned about this from lesson 20. Examples, 暇だったら暇だったら if free. 病気だったら病気だったら if sick. Now let's look at some examples of conditional sentences. Again, conditional clause or phrase is the hypothetical situation, then followed by the main sentence, which is the consequence. This means that if a situation happens, then here's the consequence. For example, if I have 100 million yen, I'll quit my job. 1億円が our verb is to have, which is あります。in たら form it's あったら。1億円があったら仕事を辞めます。If there's no time, you don't have to come. 時間が our verb is there's no or ありません or ない。in たら form なかったら。時間がなかったら来なくてもいいです。If you like, please help yourself or have some. よかったらどうぞ。This is a useful phrase you can use when you want to offer someone something. If you're free, let's hang out. 暇 暇だったら遊びましょう。So, when the conditional clause has a big chance to happen, or if the speaker is confident that the situation will occur, we say when instead of if. But in Japanese, we use the same pattern, nani nani tara, followed by the main sentence. For example, when you get better, let's have a drink. 元気になったら一杯飲みましょう。When I get older, I want to live in the countryside. 年を取ったら田舎に住みたい。When you arrive at the station, please call me. 駅に着いたら電話してください。After your work is finished, you may go home. 仕事が終わったら帰ってもいいです。The next conditional clause we will learn is the 何々ても or でも pattern. This means even if. Again, we can use verbs, adjectives, and nouns as our conditional clause. For verbs, we will use the te form followed by mo. We learned how to form the te form from lesson 14. And we've also learned verb temo pattern from lesson 15. Here are some examples. 考えます、考えて、も、考えても、even if I think. 年を取ります、年を取って、も、年を取っても、even if I grow old. For e adjectives, we will use the くて form which we learned from lesson 16. So all we did is remove i and add くて. And then we added も. 安い、安くて、も、安くても even if it's cheap. 高い、高くて、も、高くても even if it's expensive. For na and nouns, we simply just add でも. For example, 便利でも 便利でも even if it's convenient. 下手、下手でも even if I'm bad. 休み、休みでも even if it's a holiday. 雨、雨でも even if it's raining. Let's take a look at some examples using the でも conditional phrase, followed by main sentence. This means, even if situation happens, this is what happens. For example, even if I study, I won't understand. 私は勉強してもわかりません。Even if they're cheap, I don't like group tours. 安くても Here we are using an e adjective. 私はグループ旅行が好きじゃない。安くても私はグループ旅行が好きじゃない。Even if they're handy, I won't buy smartphones. 便利でも Here we are using a な adjective. スマホを買いません。便利でもスマホを買いません。 Even if it's a holiday, I'm busy. 休みでも Here we are using a noun. 忙しいです。休みでも忙しいです。We can also add もし at the beginning of the conditional clause たら to show that the speaker is less certain or confident whether the conditional clause will happen or not. So, もし conditional clause たら main sentence, meaning if in case situation happens, then here's the consequence. For example, if in case I have 100 million yen, I'll quit my job. もし1億円があったら仕事を辞めます。If in case you like, please help yourself. もしよかったらどうぞ。So this is more polite than よかったらどうぞ。もしよかったらどうぞ。If in case you go to Japan, could you buy me Funko Pop toys? もし日本に行ったらファンコーポップを買ってくれませんか？もし日本に行ったらファンコーポップを買ってくれませんか？ Now for the conditional clause でも or でも we can add いくら in the beginning. いくら means how much. But if it is combined with conditional clause でも or でも this means no matter how much this happens. For example, no matter how much I think about it, I don't remember her. いくら考えても彼女のことを思い出しません。いくら考えても彼女のことを思い出しません。No matter how expensive, I'll buy it for you. いくら高くてもあなたに買ってあげます。いくら高くてもあなたに買ってあげます。No matter how convenient, I won't buy smartphones. いくら便利でもスマホを買いません。いくら便利でもスマホを買いません。And lastly, using particle が to mark the subject of the subordinate or conditional clause. Examples of subordinate or conditional clause are 何々たら、何々ても、何々時、何々と、何々前に。For example, please let me know when Miguel arrives. ミゲルが着いたら、Here, our conditional clause has the subject Miguel, so he is marked with particle が。ミゲルが着いたら、私に教えてください。Even if smartphones are convenient, I won't buy them. Our subject for the conditional clause is smartphones. スマホが便利でも買いません。When my mother is sick, I do the cooking myself. Here our subject is my mother. お母さんが病気のとき、自分で料理をします。When it snows, the trains will stop. Here our subject is snow. 雪が降ると電車が止まります。I have to prepare various things before my baby is born. Here our subject is the baby. 赤ちゃんが生まれる前にいろいろ準備しないと。So we've learned how to form the if or when conditional clause statements. For examples, 1億円があったら仕事を辞めます。時間がなかったら来なくてもいいです。元気になったらいっぱい飲みましょう。年を取ったら田舎に住みたい。We've also learned how to form the even if conditional clause statements using the ても or でも pattern. 勉強してもわかりません。安くてもグループ旅行が好きじゃない。便利でもスマホが買いません。休みでも忙しいです。We've also learned the if in case or no matter how much using the もし or いくら。もしよかったらどうぞ。もし日本に行ったらファンコポップを買ってくれませんか？いくら高くてもあなたに買ってあげます。いくら便利でもスマホを買いません。We've also learned that subjects of subordinate or conditional clause is marked with particle が。ミゲルが着いたら教えてください。スマホが便利でも買いません。お母さんが病気の時、自分で料理をします。雪が降ると電車が止まります。もし1億円があったらどうしますか？インターネットがなかったらどうしますか？年を取ったら何をしますか？調子が悪くても仕事または学校へ行きますか？あなたの一番欲しいものが高くても買いますか？ So that's it for today's lesson. We are done with the first 25 lessons, and this wraps up the first half of the Minna No Nihongo series. 皆さん、お疲れ様でした。よく頑張りましたね。If you find this video helpful, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!